In this video, we're going to review the Money Manager system. So here we are, we're on the home page, and we can scroll down here, and there's a list of all the different accounts that can be added. You just type in the username and password for that particular creditor and click Add to Money Manager System. Now, keep in mind that in some cases you will have to go through a secondary verification of that account. So having a text message sent to you, answering the security question for that particular account, the online account. Those can be secondary things that need to be done. So let's go ahead and we added one. Let's go here to Money Manager and just see we have the one account listed here under the credit cards. And we can also search different ones here as well. So let's just go ahead and say that we're wanting to add a bank. Let's go ahead and click that. And it'll go through the same process, adding in the information for the bank account. So I'm going to choose to send a text message. And that is what we were talking about, that secondary verification that needs to be done. You can hear right there that I received that verification. I go through that. Make sure that it is correct, and it adds that information into the Money Manager system. Hold on just one moment. It's finishing connecting and verifying that information. So now you can see, now we have a checking and savings, and also the credit card debt went up because there is actually a credit card to add here into the system. And so that is how that you use the Money Manager system to add in bank accounts, credit cards. Works the same with any type of account that needs to be added. You can do investment. We can even put in here, we can add a home into Zillow. So let's go ahead and go in here. To see what the value of the home is. Now this comes from Zillow's, and you can see now we have the real estate value added into the house. So it gives a little bit of fun educational thing. So this is a net worth here on the house. And then you can also add other items as assets into the system. And again, you can add investments. You can see recent transactions. You can go to all accounts and list them. If you have one that is wrong or you need to remove, you can just click on this button right here to remove it. All right, and that is how you use the Money Manager system.